crafters, welcome into Guys Craft 2. My name is John, and as many of you know, if you follow the channel, if you're on the lives, if you listen to me kind of rattle on sometimes, you know that we have an Etsy store, that we do sell some fabrics and that. There's plenty of us other content creators out there doing the same thing. But normally I don't kind of unbox and talk about new fabrics and things that have arrived, even though we're constantly getting new stuff and shipping new stuff and kind of moving things around. But I was super psyched when this fabric finally arrived. It's one that I have been waiting on, which seems like a lifetime. I think we ordered this, did pre-orders for all of this back in, oh my gosh, I think it was March of last year. And so it finally showed up today. The FedEx guy rang the doorbell and came through. And I thought, you know what? Why don't you just do an unboxing? You happen to be home today. You can do that and show people what are some of the new things that you got in. So let's take a look, because I'll be honest, I'm not even sure what all is in the box. So first thing that is in here is what we call the Lori Holt home decor panel. We actually bought two bolts. I did not realize I bought two bolts, but we did, so it is what it is. And let's take a look at these. So this is the new Lori Holt. It is designed to give you they are panels. This one is called, I think, Farmer's Daughter. It looks like they covered up the name. So let's move this out of the way, because as you can tell, I am absolutely doing this kind of live, and I'm not going to edit all this out because, yeah, it's called the Farmer's Daughter. It is a panel, and these are panels to put together totes. And when I first saw these, I just fell in love with these, and I've done a few of those. So we may actually do put together a not necessarily a live. Would be cool to do a subscriber sew along, maybe to one of these, but we'll see at some point. But these are new from Riley Blake. These just came out, and I haven't even got these on the Etsy store yet. I don't know when I'll get these on, if I can get them on before Christmas or not, with so much stuff going on out there. But this is Lori Holt's Happy Zipper set of 8 is sewed separately and coordinating, and I just did get those as well. These are tote bags that you can make. It says each coordinating zipper color is indicated on each of the bags. And look, guys, how adorable these things are. Now, I'm not used to showing bolts, so it may take me a second to get these put out here where you can see. But these are little totes that you can put together. They're quick and easy to assemble. They show you, they walk you through with all the instructions on how to do it. And I'll be honest, I can't even tell you how much these panels run, because I don't have that pricing here in front of me. But again, really cute. You get about 5 totes, different sizes out of each one. We did purchase the coordinating zippers, and those just showed up the other day. So we have those to go with this as well. So these are going to be pretty cute and pretty fun to do. And if I remember right, there is actually a barcode or a QR code that you can scan and go out to actually see how to assemble and put these together. So if you wanted to get into totes and wanted to get into bag making but just haven't done so, there's your opportunity. All right, and then this is what we really have been waiting for. So not to take away from Lori Holt or any of that, but I think this is the bag, the box that we have been waiting for. I can tell you the poor FedEx guy was like, "Guy, you live in a residential community, but yet you make me carry these ultra heavy boxes over here." So I know he is not a friend of mine. That's okay. You know, it's what they get paid for, right? And I do help stimulate the economy. So let's take a look at this new fabric. Yes, this is the fabric that John has been waiting for. So I cannot wait to open this, play with it, and get this out on the website for you all. But it is the Harry Potter collection. So, guys, I have been waiting forever and ever for this to come out. This is by Camelot Fabrics. This is a black background. This is called the House of Champion and the House of Banners. Look how cute that fabric is, guys. This is going to make some really cute um, um, quilts, pillows, whatever you want. Comes with the Gryffindor fabric. I'm not a Gryffindor. I wanted to be a Gryffindor, but I didn't get in Gryffindor. But I did get in the Hufflepuff house. So here is my Hufflepuff. We have all the coordinating fabric. Here's the Ravenclaw that goes with it. So if you are a Harry Potter nerd like me, this is probably going to be a must-have. So, and I'm betting that we'll go through this fabric pretty quick. This is Slytherin, and then let's see what else we have in here. Okay, and then the coordinating fabrics to go with that. I really like this. I forgot what they called this. Um, this is the House Champions Houses Diamond Check. And so you get all the different houses and that on here as well. But you get, so it's the whole collection, but then you go back and then you have each one broken down. So this is Gryffindor, right? Look how cool that fabric is. And then Ravenclaw. Got the Quidditch sticks and that on it. Slytherin. And then finally, Hufflepuff. So guys, this is really a cute collection. So when you think about ordering and looking at these, look at this. How cool these coordinating fabrics all go together. We bought the entire set. This is the first time we've ever done that. I may be sorry, maybe it won't sell like I think it will, but I think this will go quick. I think all of us that have ordered this will see some real success. So, guys, I appreciate you dropping in and giving me just a few minutes to talk about some of the new fabrics, some of the new things that have come in. I hope you all are having an amazing morning, an amazing week. And if you're interested, the link down below takes you over to our Etsy store, which is Pride Proud Designs. So our business started originally as when we were doing deco mesh wreaths and doing some of the wood wreaths and all of that. So that's where Pride Proud started. We're actually going to do a video in 26 to talk about our business names and how we came up with where we got to. But when we moved to the YouTube channel, we decided we wanted something that was more encapsulating. I don't know if that's the right word or not about Guys Craft 2, but that's how we ended up with the Guys Craft 2. But and we do have a Guys Craft 2 website, but that is strictly for our retreats and things like that. We continued under the original business license and all of that for everything else, and that's Pride Proud Designs. And right now, if you click on that, it's just going to take you to our Etsy store because we found maintaining Etsy and our own website, it just got to be too much. So right now we're just paying the fees and working with Etsy. But if you want to grab some of this fabric, please jump over there, look, get those orders placed. Like I said, I think it's going to go fast, but you never know, right? I may 6 months from now be going, hey, we're having a sale on Harry Potter, but we'll see. I hope you all are having a great day. Thanks for dropping in. Thanks for giving me an opportunity to kind of show some of our new fabrics in that. We're not trying to compete with brick and mortar stores. We're not at that level. Don't know if we'll ever be at that level, but we're trying to do some things to support the quilting community and support the designs and things that we're chasing after. So, guys, as always, until next time, happy crafting.